Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. How is everybody doing? Today, this is going to be our first coding class. Before we begin, I would like to tell you that this is going to be an app that teaches a person named Sam how to control his drone. Before we continue, I need to explain the 4 steps to create any app or any game. The first step is to define a purpose. In this step, we specify what we want the app or game to do. I have just defined the purpose, which is to train the user how to fly their drone. Step 2 is to design the app. The first thing we need to do is set the background. So we have set the background using this code block, which basically means a block of code, to stars. Sprites are basically controllable characters if we set them to be controllable. And they have a costume, which is how they appear. We have 4 sprites in the code, and the first sprite is called John. He has this costume, and he looks like that. The second sprite is Sam. He's this guy right here. The third sprite is John Drone, which is John's drone. And the fourth sprite is Sam's drone, over here. Next, we need to set how big the sprites are. So we set this sprite size to 50 and this sprite size to 50 because they're the drones and they're about the same height and width. The third step is to code the app. We have already started doing that by designing the app, but we need to continue so that the app actually has functionality. The first block of code shows that this wanders around the screen. Because we aren't controlling both drones, we're only controlling Sam's drone. So this wanders randomly around the screen and we have to fly this one. The next 4 functions are the arrow keys. When up is pressed, we need to move this drone 10 pixels up, and vice versa for the next 3 keys. Since this is a drone flying app, we can't have 2 drones flying into each other and through each other. So when this drone touches that drone, when the red one touches the green one, it needs to be like real life. They explode and they fall. But over here, we're just going to make it disappear. So when this one touches this one, we will remove both sprites, and we will print text which says "You lost, try again," which tells the user to reset the code and run it again. The 4th step is to test the app. Since we've finished coding all of these, we'll run the app. As you can see, I'm flying the red drone. It's not very smooth, but it works. We need to see what happens if we crash the drone into the other one. So let's crash this drone into here. They disappeared and a bubble of text saying "You lost, try again" appeared on the screen. All of that works perfectly, and after that we need beta testers. If you would like to test, the link is in the description, so you might be one of the first beta testers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and clicking the like button, and click the bell icon for notifications. By the way, if you would like to, please check out my blog at blogofayaan.wordpress.com. It has my blog and some stuff about me and contact info and some stuff like that. So please check it out. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.